Hips locked, back tight, energy already dragging? Let's undo it in just 5 minutes. This flow has rescued thousands from stiff, sluggish mornings. And somewhere in the middle, something in you will release. There's one move coming most people avoid, but it unlocks tension that's been hiding in your body for years. Let's hit the mat. Start in a tall kneel, hips stacked over knees, core gently braced. Lower your glutes towards your heels, then drive your hips forward using the power of your glutes. Repeat with control. This isn't just a warm-up, it's a wake-up call for one of the most underused yet overstrained muscle groups, your hip flexors. I promise if you've been sitting more than standing, this move is a non-negotiable. Beginners use a cushion under your knees, advanced stretchers add a slight lean back for more stretch at the top. Here's a surprising fact, tight hip flexors can literally shut off your glutes. That's why this move is first. It flips that switch back on. Keep your form, squeeze your glutes, and give me 5 more seconds of control. Do you feel that power building at the top? That's your body reactivating. That just woke up your core. Now let's go deeper into the hips. Slide your knees out wide on the mat. Feet flat, ankles in line with knees. Lower onto forearms. Keep your spine long. Breathe into the inner thigh tension. This stretch is uncomfortable for a reason, because it works. And what it's setting up next might surprise you. I promise this one move will give you more depth in your squat, more power in your steps, and more ease just moving through life. Beginners keep hips slightly elevated. Advanced stretches push hips further back and lower chest closer to the mat. Did you know this one move is the most effective stretches for releasing your pelvic floor? Yep. Shift your weight slightly forward and back. Hold the tension for 5 more seconds. Is it intense? That's not weakness, it's awakening. I just cracked open the hips. Let's get rotational. Sit with the knees bent, feet flat on the floor, slightly wider than hips. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Then come back to center and switch sides slowly to the other side like windshield wipers. You're not just stretching here, you're repatterning how your hips move. And that's the key to avoiding pain in the lower back and knees. I promise, once your internal rotation improves, a whole new level of mobility unlocks. Beginners keep hands behind you for support. Advanced stretchers try lifting hands off the floor. And fun fact, limited hip rotation is one of the leading contributors to lower back injury. Go slow, feel the corners of the motion. Hold one side for 5 more seconds. Do you feel one side tighter than the other? That imbalance is exactly why you showed up today. That just resets your rotation. Now we're diving into something deeper. Bring your right knee forward, shin angled under your chest. Extend your left leg straight behind. Keep your hips squared and melt down into the mat. Then switch sides after 30 seconds. This stretch is the one. Most people avoid it, but you're not most people. And the relief you'll feel on the other side, worth every breath. I promise this will be the move your lower back thanks you for. Beginners stay lifted on palms. Advanced stretches fold completely forward with the forehead down. The piriformis muscle deep under your glute can compress the sciatic nerve when tight. This pose helps fix that. Surrender into it. Hold this last breath for 5 more seconds. Still fresh tension? That's stored stress, not just tightness. That just released deep emotional tension. Now let's test your balance and control. Stand tall, shift your weight onto your right leg. Cross your left ankle over your right knee and sit back like a squat. Find your balance and breathe, then switch sides. Now we finish standing strong, literally. This isn't just about stretching your hips. It's about reconnecting your mind and body. I promise if you master this movement, you'll carry more balance and grace throughout your day. Beginners hold on to a wall or chair. Advanced stretches, hands at the heart center or overhead. Did you know this movement activates 5+ stability muscles at once? Sit into the stretch, find stillness, hold 5 more seconds. Can you feel that deep tension melting? That's your body rewarding your consistency. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.